Hey guys, so today's video, we are just like kind of like, you know, we're keeping the hauls going on. I have just been in a really big like makeup buying mood lately, and I've just been buying makeup. And as you guys know, like from my recent June favorites, if you guys haven't seen it yet, I will have it linked down below. Definitely check it out. I do tons of mini reviews on a lot of new products that are just being launched and everything that I try out for the month, because that's like the quick way to be able to get a really good solid review into a video. So definitely check out those videos, and also make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you want to stay tuned for future hauls and reviews and all that fun stuff. I just totally cracked my finger right there. And then also I will be having another back to school giveaway here very soon, so definitely stay tuned for that. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy hauls, and let me know in the comments down below what I should like get my hands onto next. But anyways, let's go ahead and see what I got from Kylie Cosmetics. So like I was saying, if you guys saw my June favorites, I was talking about the Kylie Cosmetic lipsticks, and I really haven't bought anything from them in a really long time. I used to do their hauls all the time about like a year or so ago, probably even more than a year ago. Every launch I was on top of, I always did reviews, swatches, everything. But then I got really kind of over it because the quality just wasn't there for me, and I was like, this isn't worth it. But I purchased the lipsticks, you guys, and I love the lipsticks. They are so good. This is my favorite one. This is the color Creme Brulee, and it's just so nice and comfortable, and it's such a pretty shade. I love it. It's like one of my go-to shades this date. They're so opaque and just moisturizing and comfortable. So I was like, you know what? I need to try out more from her collection, like really bad, because I was so impressed with that. So I was like, you know, let's just make an order and try out some stuff that I have my eye on. So first off, let's go ahead and get into some lipsticks. I purchased some more colors because, again, I think the formula is amazing on them. And this first color here that I purchased is called Passion. It's a really pretty like mauve shade, which is totally like my go-to shade. Oh, that one's gorgeous. Ignore my hand right here. I'm peeling. If you guys know my really bad sunburn story, if you follow me on Instagram, definitely follow me on Instagram. I burned myself. I was a lobster. I'm peeling from it now. But this is a gorgeous shade, and yeah, so that's why, yeah. It looks a little weird, but don't worry, I'm fine. And this next one, Mont Blanc. Oh my gosh, I purchased two of them, so this is the last one. Oh yes, I'm going to love this color. Yes, okay. Oh my God, okay. Mont Blanc definitely takes the cake out of the two. So nice, so pigmented, and so creamy. All right, so next up I have two more lip products here. So the first one here is the Velvet Liquid Lipstick. I don't think I've tried these at all, and I was like, ooh, I'm intrigued. And I saw the shade Charm, and I was like, Charm looks gorgeous. You can tell I really love like kind of like the pinky nudes. I don't know why, but I feel like this will be so comfortable. Oh yeah, that is gorgeous right there. Look at that one. Really, really pretty. They smell like vanilla too. I forgot how good they smell. And then I'll let you guys know about the formula, what I think about it. I don't think I've ever tried the Velvet formula. I like her matte formula though. Her matte formula is really good. And so I picked up another one of those matte liquid lipsticks, and this one is in the shade One Wish. So I don't own this shade. My favorite one from her collection is Coco K. Coco K is gorgeous. This one is another really pretty kind of pinky nude. I like this one a lot. I know I'm gonna use this one. Next up, I purchased a ton of her palettes because like I said, I haven't been buying from her in a really long time. And so I went on the site for the palettes, and I grabbed the ones that I was really like drawn to and ones that I knew that I would use. So I have the first one here, and this one is the SORTA Sweet palette. And I thought the colors were really pretty in this palette. Like I love these neutral tones, and then you have the purples. It's something that I can definitely use every single day, and that's kind of like the palettes that I gravitate towards. I don't like really go too much color. I really like the neutral tones, something that I could wear any day. I want to swatch. Oh, ooh, her shimmers are nice. I remember her shimmers were like not that pigmented and weren't that great. But that one actually swatched really good. I feel like her shimmer formula has definitely changed since the last time I bought from her. Because I remember her shimmers, like, they were nice, but they weren't like wham bam, like nice. Here's this one. I still wish she put the names on the front and not on the back. Oh, that one's really pretty. That's more of a coppery shade. So here's the matte shade right here. I think it's called Cocoa. Ooh, Cocoa swatched really nicely too. Wow, okay. I'm really excited to try this one out. So I'll let you guys know what I think about that one as well. The other palette that I got is one that I actually was like seeing on Instagram and I was like, oh my God, this is actually really pretty, but I never ordered it in that launch. And so when I made this big order, I made sure to put it in there. This is the Blue Honey palette. And I thought this one was really fun. And I just thought this was a palette that I could make work for like, you know, casual day looks. And it's something so different than what I have in my collection, but still so wearable at the same time. Like I remember seeing it when it was launching and I was like, oh my God, this is so pretty. I want this and I'm excited to try it out. I haven't seen any reviews on them, so I don't know what people say about them, but I'll try them out for myself. Let's watch a couple of shades. So we got one right here, like my poor arm right here, you guys. Oh, that one's pretty. Let's go for this gold right here. Oh, that one's pretty too. Last but not least, let's grab a matte. Oh, that one's swatched nice. Oh, I can't wait to, like, even that color scheme, like, I don't know why, but it's just like, I'm really gravitating to this palette. I don't know what it is about the color scheme on this palette, but I feel like that's what's like hooking me with it. So I can't even wait to like dabble into this teal color too. So that's gonna be fun. The next palette that I purchased is the Bronze Extended. So I really liked her bronze palette. I think that's like my favorite palette that she has. That and the peach one. I really like the peach one too, the Royal Peach. That one was also nice. I didn't even know that they came out with this palette. How did I not know? It is so pretty. So it's in the same packaging that peach one came in, and you also get a brush. You just get a regular brush from her just for blending. And then, oh my God, look at these colors, you guys. These colors are beautiful. Oh, this is another palette that I could use all the time. So excited for this one. Yes, okay. Let me play with it. Here we go. So there's one right there. Again, I wish the names were on the front. Let's grab this guy right here. Oh, he's pretty. It's a matte reddish brown, but it has little specks of gold in it, and it definitely translated onto the swatch as well. So that means it will most likely translate to the eyes, or at least I'm hoping. I kind of want to do this other kind of orangey shade right here. So here's this orangey shade. Not creamy, but very silky. So another thing I was gonna purchase from her with the blushes, but I remember seeing reviews on the blushes that they weren't that great. But I was very tempted, but I was like, you know what? Let's just stick with the palettes and the lip products for now. And if these work out for me, we'll go into those blushes. But dude, those colors are so pretty. I can, look at it, it's like staining even my like leftover skin there. Don't ever go out in the sun without sunscreen. I had it on my face, but I forgot to put it on the rest of my body, and I learned my lesson big time. Really excited to try this out right here. Again, it has a mirror. That is everything that I got from Kylie Cosmetics. I'll definitely let you guys know what I think about the palettes and everything, so definitely stay tuned for future reviews and like my future favorites video. I usually throw like little mini reviews in those because it's just so quick and easy for me to do, and it allows me to try out products for a good month before talking about them. I really like to use them and get like a full grasp of what I think about them once I after like use them multiple times and wear them throughout the day. So I will definitely let you guys know about those products. If you guys want me to try out any other products, let me know in the comments down below. I'll be more than happy to pick it up and review it for you guys. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I will see you guys in my next video.